You're about to discover the most powerful tool to hit the internet marketing scene ever. What does it really take to succeed online? Making money online is actually pretty simple, and the formula is the same whether you're an affiliate, promoting CPA offers, or you've got your own products. Are you ready for the simple formula to online success? Step 1. You need something to promote, like an offer or a product. Step 2. You need to send traffic to whatever it is you're promoting. Step 3. You need your visitors to trust you and take action. Sounds simple, right? Well, if it is so simple, then why do so many people fail to make a decent income, if anything at all, online? Now, step 1 is pretty easy. There are tons of high-quality converting offers out there to promote, even if you don't have your own products. Finding an offer is not the hard part. Step 2 is also pretty simple. Traffic is everywhere, both free and paid. Now, step 3 is where almost all marketers fail. Most struggling marketers cannot convert. Some never even get started because they can't get past the technical aspects of getting a website up, doing product reviews, or writing articles that builds enough trust to get people to click a buy button or to subscribe. They get bogged down on all that techie stuff, content creation, creating a well-designed website, and building some authority. Unfortunately, building the authority needed to have success online can take time, and in many cases, it requires you to create quality content or to spend a lot of money outsourcing this process. Many marketers don't have the time, money, dedication, or focus to do this, so they just give up. What if there was an easier way? What if there was a tool to shortcut the system and have content on demand and instant authority? What if you can take control of any site with this tool, which makes very easy and fast money? Imagine, just choose the site that you like on the internet and make it work for you. The good news is, there is such a thing. And what's that? It's Absolute Jacker. This plugin is more powerful than any other plugin out there. Just take a look at what it can do for you. It can control the links of any authority site, set up the links with your affiliate links, or to go to your blog, your squeeze page, your own product, the CPA offer you're promoting, or really anywhere you want. It can lock any site. For example, lock the content on CNN until the visitors log in with Facebook. This puts their email in your autoresponder list instantly and allows you to send Facebook notifications. Or you can require that they like your Facebook page before the content is revealed, and that is very powerful. It can also set up opt-in pop-ups. Put these on any site you wish. Also on mobile sites, responsive pop-ups with 3 different opt-in options: Facebook Connect, Google+, and email opt-in. It also uses social pop-ups. Force your visitors to like your fan page or tweet your content in any authority site. It has built-in opt-in pop-up builders with multiple options, buttons, colors, and templates to make your pop-ups look beautiful and increase your success. Mouse control pop-up option. Detect the precise moment the visitor is about to leave the page and show them a new incentive. Automatically post to Facebook. Make your new campaign instantly post to Facebook to get traffic on demand. It can send Facebook notifications to your subscribers. Increase your opt-ins and open rates with the power of Facebook notifications. Anytime you want, send a Facebook notification to your subscribers. 99% open rates have been consistently documented by integrating with Facebook. All autoresponders work. Any way the visitors subscribe, with Facebook Connect or with Google Plus Connect or with a regular email address, their mail goes direct to your autoresponder. Save countless hours of work, or even weeks or months, creating your own content or hundreds of thousands of dollars paying others to create content for your website. And it also allows you to have your website up in minutes. It's very easy to use. With a few clicks of your mouse, you can start making money right away. So make more money. Get more click-throughs, more opt-ins, and more commissions. All of these equal more money in your pocket. This is not push-button internet riches, but it's about as close as it gets. You can literally be up and running within just a few minutes from now and begin putting money into your bank account today. You don't have to make a decision now, though. When you download Absolute Jacker today and invest in your business, you automatically get access to my no-risk, love it or get your money back guarantee. One-time investment, no monthly fee, special introductory pricing. Click the order button below and you'll get instant access. So let's get started.